Take out the drain plug, use a 14mm wrench, and make sure you have a drain bucket underneath to catch the oil. Now use a 10mm socket and take these bolts out. And when you get towards the end of the bolts, just make sure you support it just in case it falls. And you can take a pry bar and just try to pry. You might end up bending it a little bit, which is all right. And there you go. Now just take a scraper, or be careful and use a razor blade, and just clean up any of the RTV. With all that cleaned up, you can take some brake parts cleaner and just wipe it down with a rag. Take the oil pan and a new gasket. Make sure you get it lined up the right way. Slide it in position. And get all the bolts started. And go around, tighten these up. Not too tight though, just snug. And go around and torque these to 80 inch-pounds. Make sure you're on inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. If you want to alternate. Doesn't really matter. Double check the drain plug, just make sure it's tight. It's good. Take the oil cap off. Get a funnel that lines up. And double check your owner's manual and get the appropriate oil. After you get the oil in, put the cap back on. Start the engine, run the engine for about 10 or 15 seconds, shut it off, wait about a minute, and then check the oil level. Use a rag, pull the dipstick out, just wipe it off. Reinsert the dipstick, then pull it out, and you want the oil level in between those hash marks.